Here we go.
Hi, lovelies. It's NanaAang here, back with another video. Y'all, we're going back to basics today and also participating in a beautiful collaboration with From Palette to Plate, a wonderful Discord group that my friends Marie from Swatch It With Me and Linda from Linda's Pretty Press-Ons have. And it's just a really fun place to go and get some inspiration on some sets to do. And they have stamping collaborations, and they have collaborations going on all the time, but there's no pressure. It's just whatever you want to do and whatever you want to grab inspiration from, do it. So I will leave their channels linked in the description if you would like to reach out to them or check out their channels. Come on in. It's fun. Okay, so we're going back to basics because this nail set that I've done for this collaboration is already done. Okay, it's already done. And I will post, this is the monthly color collaboration that they do over there. And I will post the inspiration picture up here, so you can take a look at what inspired this set. But as you can see, all the nails are the same. So I thought I would just do one nail in this style with y'all and chat a little bit. Sound good to you? All right, sounds good to me. Okay, so we have a nail. Okay, the first step is to prep the nail with some primer. Make sure you get the edges good, or you could buff the nail as well. Same concept. This is just chemically etching the tip so the base coat holds onto it. And then we're going to base coat it. So as you can see, the color palette on the picture is just so lovely. I saw the picture and I'm like, I've got to do a set, and I wanted to do, you know, you see all the pictures of the cat eye with the flowers and stuff over top, and I really, really like that look. So I did it. All right, let's cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, we're all base coated. Now we're gonna go in with this beautiful cat eye from Double Rhythm. It is MC1173. And it's just that light purple with a silver flash. It's beautiful. We're gonna go in 2 coats of this. This is a velvety cat eye in lavender. That was a lot. Okay, so for the first coat, I am going to just zhuzh it. Bring all the particles up to the top. Light her up. As best I can. Okay. Excuse my phone, and we'll cure it for 60 seconds. All right, second coat. With cat eye polishes, you have to put them on a little thicker, but you don't want them so thick that they won't cure. But you want enough of the magnetic particles on the nail to be able to move them around sufficiently. Notorious for missing edges on tips, so I always have to make sure I get the edges. Okay, so now we are going to zhuzh it up. First of all, okay, and then I'm going to take my circle part of my magnet and I kind of want to make a little bit of a ring, not too much. I like that look of just a little of the dark purple border on the outside. Okay. There, we got it. So we'll cure it for 60 seconds. All right, now it is time for stickers. Now, you want to take a swab and some alcohol and wipe off the inhibition layer on this nail. You do not want to try to put stickers on a sticky, wet surface. They will not stick down. You don't have to add any top coat or matte top coat or anything like that. Unless you want to, that's fine. You don't have to. Just wipe off all that sticky. Okay, and then these are the beautiful flower stickers that we're working with today that match that from palette to plate collaboration so well. I saw them, I'm like, yep, those are the ones we're using. And I just want to kind of make a little border of flowers. Always bend the card to get your stickers off easier. Okay, and then I flip it around and push it down real good. I think we'll do another one of those. Up from the bottom. Oh, do we want to add any greenery? I think I kind of like it just the way it is. Or sometimes it can get a little much. But oh, do I have two of those? We'll just add this one. Right in this corner. There, I like that. Okay, so there's our stickers, and then the cat eye shines through them. It's such a pretty look. I love it. All right, so now I like to base coat again over my stickers just to seal them in. So we'll go ahead and do that. And I think if you have a layer of base coat and then top coat on a nail like this, it just kind of makes that cat eye a little more 3D. Make sure I have the edges, okay? Now we'll cure that. All right, it's top coat time. I'm going in with this super shiny, Born Pretty, super top coat. We're going to hold it upside down so it brings all that top coat to the middle of the nail, just for a few seconds. And then we'll cure it. All right, here we go with just a few simple products: a base coat, a top coat, and a cat eye gel, and some stickers. You can make a really pretty set. I just love that look. Oh, looks like my thumb. I want to thank Marie and Linda from Palette to Plate for the inspiration for my set. And check down in the description box for some coupon codes to save you some money. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, come on over. It's fun over here. Smash that subscribe button. I'm live every single Wednesday and a new video each and every week. Thank y'all. Short one today. Love ya. Nana Ange.